The difficulty with managing a lot of SEO stuff is just the amount of stuff you have to deal with, the amount of pages you have to think about, the amount of content, the amount of links, etc. And sure, you can build a team, you can do all of that, but the thing is, usually the strategy comes from one person, right? And then it just gets distributed as tasks to other people. And so there's that one person on top that kind of needs to have everything in their heads. And the bigger the project gets, the more complicated it gets. And that's where a lot of mistakes and missed opportunities are created. And I expect that SEO tools will be able to assist that one person so that they can distribute the right tasks to the right people in their team so that it creates the most value possible, which is really not the case at this point, where SEO tools just dump a bunch of data. It's like, figure it out, you know? It's like, you just like try to sort it out in Excel, etc., but it's still kind of not perfect. You might be missing corners of it, etc.